Hello friends, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. The menu tonight is incredibly tasty, fast and easy one-pot meal, shiitake noodles. This dish is meatless, yet filled with protein. If you want to add meat, do so. Make it your own. For the list of the recipe ingredients, please see the description area. Get started by boiling the pasta according to the cooking instructions on the package. Then drain, but leave a small amount of the water in the pot and set it aside to keep the pasta moist. De-seed and slice the red chilies. Dice the tofu. Did you know tofu is one of the most convenient vegetarian forms of protein? It also works well in everything from stir fries like today to smoothies. It contains many nutrients including genistein, which seems to promote fat loss by reducing the size and number of fat cells. Sign me up. Mince the garlic. Remove the skin from the fresh ginger with a spoon, like so, then grate it or chop it. I've read ginger is a favorite spice and flavoring and one of the world's greatest medicines, with a host of healing properties, including a stimulating effect on the circulation system, lowering high blood pressure. So it's worth adding to your recipes, folks. Slice the mushrooms. About shiitake mushrooms, they're native to China, Japan, and Korea, and they've been the subject of several scientific studies that are researching their pro-immunity and healing power. Chop the spring onions on the bias for a better presentation. And chop the cilantro. In a bowl, mix and combine the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and brown sugar. Then set that aside for now. Now that our veggies are chopped and diced, it's time to stir fry. Heat the wok or a deep pan if you don't have a wok to medium-high heat. Add the sesame oil, stir fry the chilies, tofu, garlic, and ginger for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the pasta noodles. Yeah, folks, I'm excited to be using my new pasta tongs today. Mushrooms. Sauce mixture. spring onions, and chopped cilantro. Toss together and serve up immediately. Oh my goodness, this is fantastic. This is my first time cooking with tofu and I love it. There's a tantalizing hint of spice from the red chilies. Overall, it's budget friendly, fast and easy to prepare, nutritious, and of course delicious. I'm just curious, how many of you cook with tofu? Let me know in the comments, and what's your favorite way to prepare it? Remember, sharing is caring. Enjoy guys, you got this, and God bless. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. And feel free to leave any comments or questions, and please let me know if you decide to try the recipe.